Hello guys, this is the day 7 of Leetcode 100 days challenge. Today we are going to solve the question number 125. Valid palindrome. Let's see the question. A phrase is a palindrome if after the converting all uppercase letter into lowercase letter and removing all non-alphabetic numerical character, it's read the same forward and backward. Alphanumerical character include letter and number. Given a string as written true if it is a palindrome or false otherwise. So in the given question, palindrome is a word we read backward and forward. It is the same. Like here is an example. Like Bob. Bob is a palindrome. From behind and from the starting, it is the same B-O-B. And in the given question, we have a string S. We have to return true if it is a palindrome string, and we have if it is not a palindrome string, then we have to return false. So let's see the example. In the first example, a man, a plane, a canal, Panama. Its return true means it is a palindrome. Here we can see that the first letter of the string A and the last letter of the string A both are the same. You can check the palindrome by comparing the letter of starting and backward. Here A and A is a similar, so we make a gap between them. And then again here M and M is similar, so here and the starting and the end. Here A and A again similar, so we do multiple time and we come at the position of C. It is a common between them, so the middle position, C is a line in the middle position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 letter and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are also 10 letters. So C is a 11 letter from the starting and 11 letter from the behind. So it is a palindrome. So let's start the coding. In the first condition, if the string is null and empty, so we have to return true. Because in example third, we can see that a string is empty, so we have to return true because since any empty string read the same forward and backward, it is a palindrome. So the first we solve this condition. IsEmpty is the method which returns if the string is empty, then it's written true. If its string is not empty, then it returns false. So if both the condition is true, it returns true. Fourth, if there is a string, so we have to check if it is a palindrome or not. So we're going to make all the upper cases letter to lower cases. So we're going to use the function to lowercase. The lowercase method make all uppercase to lowercase. Like in the example, first A is a uppercase, and we can see that in the explanation A is a lowercase. So to lowercase method change the uppercase letter to lowercase. And for checking the palindrome, we have to make two variables. The left variable pointing the first letter of the string and the right variable pointing the last element of the string, because length method returns the length of the string and we -1 because the indexing of the length is start from the 0. Then we use the while loop. Here we make two variable in the while loop, left char, right char, pointing the variable left and right. In first if loop, condition, if the char is letter, my letter spelling is wrong, is letter or digit. If the starting of the string there is a any special like comma and space and hyphens, and if these are in the starting of the string, it skip those things and increment the left until it's pointing to a character. F if else loop, sorry, else if loop. But here we're going to use right char. If in the end of the in if in the ending of the string there is any space, comma and other things present, and then we have to skip it and decrement right char, decrement right, because right is pointing at the end of the string. And we're going to use another else if loop. If left char is not equal to right char, then it returns false. Good. If it is not equal, then it is not a palindrome. So we have to return false. If it is equal, then it's return true. Then it's return true and increment the here. If the left char means left pointing to a and the right pointing to a, if it is equal, then it's goes again in while loop and increment left and decrement right, then it's pointing left pointing to m and right pointing to m, then it's going to again while loop and increment left and decrement right, then it's pointing to a here, then it's pointing to a and right pointing here a, here this a. It's again and again, it's if left come at c, then the value of left is greater than the value of right, so the while loop condition is false. Then it's returned true because it is a palindrome. Every value from starting to at the end of the string it's equal, so it's returned true. Let's run the program. Error in 17. Oh, my right char spelling is wrong. Now we're going to run again. All the condition is check. Let's submit. Now you can see the details here. Thank you guys for watching.